Within the Reviews module in your CMS, there is a Settings button at the top here. Within this tab, there are these functionalities. The first two fields allow you to change the text in the heading that appears above the Reviews carousel and the button that appears below it here. You can also select the page that the reviews appear on when a user clicks on the button from the drop-down here. The background image allows you to add a background image to sit behind the reviews carousel here. You can select whether the reviews rotate around a carousel in a random, chronological order, or you can rank them by their rank number that is selected on the previous page. The number of reviews that are on the carousel can be changed here. Then finally, the speed that each review rotates on the front end can be changed here. The selection of either dots or arrows that is shown on the front end can be selected, and whether the reviews rotate automatically can also be selected here.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.